Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out another Chanel mascara, and this one is the Inimitable Extreme Mascara. Now they do have quite a few of these on their website. They have the original Inimitable, then they have loads of different ones like the Intense, and I haven't tried out any of these mascaras before, and I haven't actually seen any reviews on this specific one. This is relatively new on their website, and I am hoping it's going to be really good because it does say that it's multi-dimensional, volume, length, curl and separation, extreme wear as well. So it's got a lot of claims on there, and as you know, if you do watch my videos, I'm very critical of mascaras. I tried out the new Noir Allure mascara from Chanel and I really hated that. If you do want to see it, I'll link it down below or somewhere in this video for you so you can check it out. But I didn't hold back. I said that I didn't like it, I wasn't a fan of it, and to be honest, that actually put me off of Chanel mascaras for quite a while because I use the Le Volume. I absolutely love it. It's my holy grail Chanel mascara, and apparently the Inimitable ones are better than the Le Volume, so I'm really going to put it to the test and see how it goes. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So like I mentioned, I haven't seen any reviews on this mascara. I haven't really seen anyone talk about the Inimitable mascara. It's usually the Noir Allure or the Le Volume mascara. So yeah, I'm really excited and I'm going to put this to a test and see how it is. It retails for £31, which is pretty much the same price as all mascaras on Chanel's website. And I've also got it in the shade 10 Pure Black, which is the only shade that they have. And on the website, it does say that it's definition and smudge proof mascara, which I really do like because I have a problem with mascaras going underneath my lash line and it's really annoying. That's why on most of my videos I don't wear any mascara on my lower lashes, just because I can't be dealing with all of it smudging. A mascara that offers a sophisticated 3D makeup result, intense black colour and long wear while rinsing easily away with warm water. With the perfect brushing formula, Inimitable Extreme delivers a multi-dimensional makeup result in one easy step. Lashes show off volume, length and curl. It also says that it has beauty expertise and Japanese technology. The formula ensures a smudge proof long wear makeup result. It resists time, heat and humidity. Lashes are enhanced one by one for a sublime row of lashes. It also contains a mineral powder micro beads to give volume, length and curl to your lashes, an extremely resistant polymer for long lasting result, and vitamin E derivative as an antioxidant. It's also suitable for contact lens wearers as well, so if you do have contact lenses, then it is going to be really good for you. Now, like I mentioned, I haven't actually seen any videos on this mascara. I've only read the odd review on the Chanel website and it seems like everyone pretty much likes it, and then there's a few people that really don't like it. So it's pretty much a mixed bag, but it seems like people like it more than they don't like it. And like I mentioned, I have heard that the original one of these is really, really good. So if I like this, I might end up trying out the original one, or even if I don't like this, to be honest, I'm probably going to try out the original one anyway because I really love my mascaras. I have so many of them and I really like seeing which ones are the best ones out there. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and zoom in and we're going to test out the mascara and see how it goes. I've zoomed in so you can see what my eyelashes look like naturally. So they are very fair. They're not super long or anything like that, sort of medium. And please don't mind my eyebrows, they're just not plain today, so yes, they look horrendous. And yeah, this is what my eyelashes look like naturally. I have tight lined my waterline with a brown eyeliner. It's the Bruno Garpi one from Chanel and it's their Stylo You Waterproof. Absolutely love it. I have two shades and they are incredible. I use that one in Eros pretty much all the time that I do eyeliner. So this is what my lashes look like naturally. And the bottle looks exactly the same as the usual Inimitable mascaras, so I don't think anything changes for any of them. Like I mentioned, I haven't actually tried the original one before, but from what I've seen on the website, they look pretty much exactly the same in the bottle. And then this is what the brush looks like. So it looks like it's going to get to every single lash, looks like it's going to separate them. Doesn't look like anything innovative, to be honest. I've seen mascara ones that look very similar to this. It does say on the website, apply from the roots to the tips of lashes, apply to lower lashes and focus on the outer upper lashes to give eyes a wide open look. For best results, apply this over the base mascara. Says it's easily removed with water, so it doesn't really say any specific way to apply it, so I'm pretty much just going to do what I usually do and do a zigzag motion, also a rolling motion as well, just so we can see what's the best way to separate the lashes. So hopefully this isn't going to smudge. Hopefully it's going to look good and my eyelashes look really long. I'm going to apply it to this eye first of all, just so we can see what it looks like compared to the other one. I always do 3 layers just so we can see how it builds up. Sometimes 3 coats looks amazing and then other times it looks clumpy, so we'll see how it goes. But this is what I do with all of my first impressions, and yeah, just going to go ahead and apply it. with one layer it looks pretty nice. It does look very separated. It looks quite long, but there's not a lot of thickness there at all. But I do like that it has separated the lashes. I have done just a zigzag motion on this one just so we can see if that works, and it does look pretty good. It looks quite thick at my base, but yeah, it's not incredible at the moment. But I'm going to go ahead, do a second coat, we'll do a rolling motion and see if it looks any better. Two coats looks really nice actually. My lashes look very, very long. They do look separated, but they are starting to clump on the inside part right here, but they look really good. My lashes actually look really long. Now I can see that obviously I do have mascara up here, but that's just because I'm learning to use mascara. It's the first time that I've been using it. So it's looking really good with two coats. I would prefer more volume, more thickness with the lashes, but so far it's actually looking really nice. So we'll do a third and final coat and we'll see if it can look any better. Three coats are done and it does look extremely clumpy, but I do feel like this is a mascara that you can only use two coats with. I always do three just so we can see how it builds up, and if you can do three, because I know that some people do like doing multiple coats of mascara. So I feel like it looks really good with two coats. I actually still like it with three coats. From far away, this actually looks really nice. My lashes look super long. They don't look thick, but I do wish that I would have thickness with these lashes just because I don't really have a lot of lashes, but they look really long. Like, I am impressed. That's with no mascara, that is with mascara. That just, to me, that is absolutely crazy. I do like this. I actually think it's better than the Tartelette tubing mascara, and I've been loving that for a very long time. I will obviously see how it goes on the other eye just so I can see if I can make it less clumpy on the other eye, but I am still going to do three coats on the other eye because it might look a little bit weird of having more coats on one eye than the other one. But so far I like it, even though it is looking a little bit clumpy. It's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the lower lashes. We'll see how it goes on. Hopefully it doesn't smudge, but I'm just used to mascara just smudging all down the bottom. The mascara went on so well on the lower lashes. As you can see, my lower lashes look absolutely massive. This is incredible. I don't think I've ever had a mascara that's made my eyelashes look this long before. Now, some of you might say that it looks a little bit clumpy, but for me, I actually think I do like this. But I am obviously going to go in with an eyelash comb just to see if I can separate these. But my lashes look incredible. Look at the difference. No mascara. So anyway, like I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead, do my second eye, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like, give you a review and let you know what I think about the mascara. I've finished off on mascara and this is what it looks like, and as you can see, my lashes look absolutely incredible. They look so long and I am so impressed with this mascara. The only thing I wish it would give me is volume. I wish I had thicker lashes, but my lashes look absolutely massive. I even showed Neil what my lashes look like and I was like, what do you think of them? And he was like, big, long. And I was like, do you like them? And he went, yes. So for him to say that my mascara looks good must mean that it is actually looking good on my eyes, because when I used that Noir Allure mascara, I showed him, I said, what do you think of my eyelashes? I didn't even do a face, and even on that one he went, no. And he said that they look clumpy, and yes, that mascara was horrible, but this one, even Neil approves of it and says that it's really good. My lashes look long on the top and on the bottom, and I also did get quite a lot of mascara on my lids just because it is brand new. It's a new mascara that I'm trying out, but I do like the formula. I feel like the formula is a little bit more wet than what I'm used to, but it might start drying out a little bit as you're using it, just like with other mascaras. But yeah, it looks really nice. Now, I did have to go in with some tweezers just to try and get some of these eyelashes apart, and then also had to go in with an old mascara wand just so I can see if I can separate them a little bit more, and it did work out. But I do feel like this is a mascara where you can only really use two coats, because two coats looked really, really good, but three coats, it does look quite clumpy. So if you like the clumpy look, then, you know, you probably won't have any issue. But if you do like lashes that are separated but don't look clumpy, I'd say go for the 2 coats, or see if you can get a mascara one that's old, or see if you can get a lash comb and just go through them, and you'll probably make them look really good and you'll probably really like them. So with the packaging and the wand, I do like the packaging. It's very sleek and it looks like every other Inimitable mascara. I will probably be trying out the original one because I do like this so much at the moment, but people have actually said that they prefer the Inimitable to this one, so I will obviously see how that goes because I'm very intrigued to see if it is as good as this one. And then the brush as well, the brush is actually really nice. It is like a rubber bristle brush, so it can get to every single lash. I feel like that's how it separates it as well. Like I said, the formula is pretty nice as well, more wet than what I'm used to, but it hasn't gone everywhere. It came off quite easily when I was just trying to get it off of the upper lids. So far I really like it. Obviously I will let you know how it goes throughout the rest of the day. I will put down below in the info section if it smudges, if it budges, if I still like it by the end of the day, if I try it out for a couple of days, and if I still do like it. So like I mentioned, so far I am liking it, but I will see how it goes throughout the rest of the day. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you've tried out this mascara or any other Chanel mascaras, then just comment down below to let me know if you like them or if you don't. And also if there's any other Chanel products or any other makeup products that you want me to test out, also just comment down below to let me know. And make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!